Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to message on Twitter. So before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that you can only message people who follow you or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so open X application on your phone, and in the bottom right corner of your screen you have to tap this letter icon. This is your messages section. Now you want to tap new message button or this button with the plus sign in the bottom right corner of your screen, and basically search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. From the list of options you have to select specific person, which will redirect you to chat with this person. So finally type your message, and when you are ready to publish it, to send it, hit send button that looks like paper plane icon. So that's how you can message on Twitter. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.